Page 262, this is the one at the top of the page called Etude. And again, it's just music to read. Nothing new being presented, you just read it and do the best you can. Try and sight read it and see how you do. I'm going to go through the regular process. They have text up at the top, but I cover all that when I go through the process. I look it over, it's 2 lines long, treble, bass, clef, no sharps or flats in the key signature, so it's either in C major or A minor. If you look at the end here, I'm guessing we're in C major, but do the scales and arpeggios for both. You've heard this lecture before, blah, blah, blah. Okay, 3/4 time signature. Take it one hand at a time because we're moving around a little bit. Right hand, we're starting down here on A. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3. Now, somewhere in here, I got to change hand positions from here to here. It's here, actually, somewhere. Where do I do it? Anywhere you want to, you got repeated notes. I can hear. I can do it right there, crunch up. I can also start here and then here. It's repeated notes. Here, it's up to you or your teacher. They'll decide where you want to turn it or where you want to change hand positions. Typically, I'll do it on repeated notes. Measure 5, coming out 1, scrunch up. That's pretty much it. Left hand, what's it up to? It's got this 1 and 2. 1 measure rest, and I do 3/1. That's because we got the F sharp coming. And I'm going to do 2/1 on that. And then measure 5, come down. 1, come down some more. I use 4 on the B because that's the chord, so that's what I do. 1, 2, and then come down. And this is a little awkward there, the last 2 measures. Here to here. Depends on the piece, and it's what's needed in the piece. It works in this piece okay, because you got time. But a lot of times you wouldn't do that. You'd go ahead and start here, or the finger might do that. Depends on what else is coming and whatever. So you're not always going to finger this way, because that's awkward. We can do it here. Put the hands together. So we're here. 1 and 2 and 3. 1. As I'm playing this, I got the left hand up. Never mind what it sounds like. That's what it is. Rest, rest. Both hands come down. Now measure 5. When I play the E, the left hand comes up. It's a quarter note. Right there. Then it's a little tricky, but we get the notes and the rhythms, and then I work out the hesitations. And as far as the articulation goes, is slurs and staccatos. Lift up, and then hit, and then staccato, accent, and hinging at the wrist on the staccato, short. The quarter note's not staccato. Now be careful on these curved lines. They're a guide as to what to do. You're going to have to kind of clean them up a little bit a lot of times. Take a look at the second line. It's measure 6 and 7 in the right hand. We slurred. I would connect that all the way to the end. I would connect that. I wouldn't go. I mean, it's a different effect, but in this case, I would connect that. So it's like the slurred line goes all the way to the C. I mean, I can't tell for sure these slurred lines are really phrases. I think maybe really they're slurs. So in that case, you'd connect it. Connect it here. Might be a better way to interpret it. Okay. Then the dynamics. Well, good luck with this. It says it's loud, it's heavy. Then here, is it both hands? Kind of is. I don't know where the melody is. Yeah. So if you want, you can try playing that top note in the right hand out on measures 2 and 3. Otherwise, just play them all the same. accent note takes it up a notch. And the whole thing's loud here. Now we're going to come down. But measure 6 starts loud and comes down. They don't tell you how soft to get. Moderately soft, so just get. Yeah, okay. Speed, allegro moderato is the feel of it. Allegro might be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Fast would be 1, 2, 3, somewhere in the middle. Huh? You pick a speed and try it out. Just make sure there's no hesitations. Everything's there. It's all accurate. If it's not, slow it down a little. Let's play it together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics. I'll give us 3 counts. 1 and ready and go and. Rest, rest.